Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2022 Porsche Macan S. This car comes with the 2.9 V6 turbo engine with the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing a healthy 375 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 25 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 45 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 31,000 miles and comes with full service history from Porsche. This stunning colour is the Miami Blue and looks in great condition, virgin mileage of the car. As we have a look aside, you've got the typical Porsche interior. Everything's absolutely gorgeous to touch and in great condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. The front seats are heated and electric as well. Onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. You've also got the analog clock there in the centre, which is a nice touch, as well as cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card there you have your Bose speakers, as well as your electric folding mirror controls and your 4 window switches. The S also comes with the panoramic roof, so that lets in plenty of light as well for you. The Macan's still a practical car for the family, so a good amount of legroom in the back there for the rear passengers. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as a couple of charging ports. And it's great to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Porsche as well. As I've already opened the tailgate, which is electric, to reveal a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. It's also nice to see that the first owner has purchased a genuine floor protector there, so that keeps everything nice and tidy. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.